be discussing when you are enrolling to this class. So this is just a introductory class of 2025 CSAT paper, which I will try to solve from directly the original question paper itself. Okay, for which the answer key is also like this month only it is being released by UPSC. So now try to read it along with me so that you can solve it along with me. Okay, so if you see 4 items, 2 passages. So maintaining an ecosystem just to conserve biodiversity will affect its commercial potential as well as the livelihood dependent on the ecosystem. Okay, meaning you have an ecosystem, or when you read this, right, when you read it immediately you should try to grasp the one-liner meaning of it. Okay, only then you will be able to solve it. So if you do it only for your commercial potential, then this will not be correct. Okay, because they're telling just to conserve. Same like that, there is also a conflict between using an ecosystem only for livelihood, meaning only for commercial exploitation is also not correct, only for livelihood is also not correct. Okay, then deforestation caused due to commercial exploitation will lead to all these things. Okay, because it will cause flood or siltation problem or the microclimate instability. All these problems can happen because people depend on forest. Now these conflicts are particularly acute in developing countries where the dependence of people on the ecosystem is significant. Okay, obviously in countries like India and everywhere where we are developing country, we depend on the forest more than the developed countries. And commercial exploitation has the potential to boost income, meaning they are telling both livelihood and commercial should go hand in hand. This is what basically someone understands by reading this much of the passage. Okay, now just below that if you see the question, exact format which I told you, which one of the following statements reflect the critical message conveyed by the author? And now if you read it, conservation of biodiversity is not an issue to be worried. Okay, that's a very like negative statement that you don't even have to worry about it. So that is wrong. Commercial exploitation of forest goes against the fundamental rights of people. There is no mention of fundamental rights. Okay, even though the statement may be correct, it is not mentioned in the passage. Sustenance of livelihood and degradation of ecosystem while being together exacerbate one another, leading to conflicts and imbalance. Okay, so this looks kind of okay because they are telling that only both should have and it has to have a balance. Then commercial exploitation of ecosystem should be completely stopped. It is not telling completely stop. It is actually telling we should do it so that we can income boost, or national income can be boosted. So obviously C is the answer here. So like this, very short passages were given in 2025 and options were also easy. So one is C. Okay, it's guarantee C. Without even looking the official answer key, you can tell that one should be C. Okay, now based on the same passage, second question is there. That's why I told one question you get two questions, one passage, 2 questions, that is total 5 marks you can earn there itself. Okay, 2.5 plus 2.5. With reference to above passage, what are the assumptions which have been made? So no country need to be dependent on ecosystem to boost national income. It's a negative statement. Okay, no country need to depend on ecosystem. Resource-rich countries need to share their resources with those of scant resources so as to prevent the degradation. This may be correct, but in this passage, nowhere it is mentioned about this developed and developing countries, how they should help each other. Okay, so this is also wrong. So obviously answer will be D. Okay, like this, you got 5 marks just in like how many, like less than 1 minute, you got 5 marks. This is how you have to approach this paper. Even though you are poor in maybe mathematics or logical reasoning or data sufficiency, if you are good in English reading, passages were so easy that you could have easily done those 16 passages or 29 questions, and that itself will get you the cutoff. Okay, that itself will get you the cutoff if you solve all the passages in 2025. Second passage, same way you read it. The history of renewable energy suggests that there is a steep learning curve, meaning that as more is produced, cost fall rapidly. Okay, meaning more and more you generate something, obviously the cost will fall because of economies of scale. Okay, that's what they're telling, economies of scale. The firm's green innovation is path dependent. The more a firm does, the more likely to do in the future. Okay, so they're telling an evidence also here, that is the solar energy, when it started and all, the price was very high, the solar panel and all these things, but later it became 90% cheaper during the 2010, and moving early and gradually gives economies more time to adjust, meaning if the sooner you apply a technology or start working on a technology, the faster the economies will adjust to it, and then you can reap the benefit of it because it is path dependent green investment. Okay, so you have to follow a path in a much earlier time. A late, more chaotic transition is costlier. Okay, meaning later if you start, it will be costlier. So it's very simple passage, just 2 lines they have given. Okay, either start early, else it will be chaotic. Now see the questions based on that. Okay, which one of the following statements best reflect the central idea of the passage? Okay, economies of scale is essential for transition. Okay, this is true actually. So we can, as of now, mark it. Modern technology progress is intensely linked to path dependence. So intense kind of word and all, that time itself you can eliminate. Okay. Countries with large economies are in a better position to adopt green technology. Nowhere in the passage tell like only the developed countries can do it. Timing plays a crucial role in case of green technology development. Okay, so this is what the crux is actually, the central idea they are telling, because the starting of the passage and ending of the passage, both they are telling you that you should start early or you should not start late. Okay, that's clearly told. So timing. So answer is D. Okay, so very easily you solved one more question and you got 2.5 more marks. Okay, now next one. Based on the same passage. With reference to above passage, the following assumptions have been made. Path-dependent green investment will eventually, most likely, benefit growth as well as public finances in a country like India. Okay, so you're asking assumption. Assumption, I told you, it should go beyond the passage. So, obviously, they're telling this only, that when you have this path-dependent investment, it will help you. Okay, and they're not telling very hard statement. They're telling most likely, meaning maybe. So, maybe is a true statement. Then, if other green technologies follow the same pattern as that of solar energy, there will be most likely an easy green transition. So this only again same they're telling, the sooner you adopt green technology, the faster it will develop. So this again both should be true. Okay, so answer is both 1 and 2. So like this, if you are able to understand the passage in your first reading, questions are very easy. You don't have to go back and read the passage again. Okay, now going to the next one, you have solved 4 questions. That is, actually you have got 10 marks if you did it the way I have told you. Okay, now see the next passage here, which will be question number 10 or 11, I think 11. Okay, every state in India faces a distinctive set of challenges regarding the impact of warming, but also offers its own set of opportunities for reducing emission. Okay, every state in India, each state in India has a different type of warming, and they have their own opportunities to solve it. Now, for example, they are giving coastal states. They need to take action against their shore-related sea level rise and all those things. Okay, and the drier need to prepare for monsoon precipitation. Okay, the districts which are drier need to prepare for this. Meanwhile, the Himalayan states, Himalayan regions have their own unique challenges, and selected part of peninsular India and offshore have the greater opportunities for harnessing wind power. Okay, so wind power they are telling, the peninsular India and some other offshore states have this thing. This much only is told. So various aspects need to be considered for developing clear and sustainable goals for the future. So just telling different states have different problems, and so that is why different opportunities also they have to solve it. This is the crux of it. Okay, without even looking at the question, we are ourselves finding a crux. See, most logical, rational and pragmatic message. Okay, the mitigation and adaptation strategies to address or tackle the climate change is essentially the responsibility of each state. Okay, this is again very hard statement. You can eliminate as of now. India is too diverse to implement any effective strategy or program. So it's again telling a very negative statement. It is basically the responsibility of union government to implement the climate action plans. Okay, that also in this passage I don't think it's telling. India needs to formulate effective climate change mitigation and adaptation strategies at the state regional level. Okay, this only the full passage is telling. Each state has different problems. So at the state level, you should have different strategies to, or you have opportunities to solve these things. Okay, by harnessing different wind power and other things, you can do that. So here answer will be D. Okay, see how easily you are able to solve, and you have not touched a maths question as of now. Okay, you are doing only passages and you are scoring marks one after the other. Okay. With reference to the passage, the following assumptions have been made. Green energy production can be linked to or integrated with the climate change mitigation and adaptation strategy. Okay, green energy production can be linked to or integrated with the climate change mitigation. Now this one, effect of climate change are much more severe in coastal and mountainous. There's nowhere told like it is much more severe. They just told like in coastal it is something, it is mountain it is something, but they never compared. So 2 is definitely wrong, but 1 looks correct. Okay, green energy production can be linked to or integrated with the climate change mitigation. Okay, so that is why we told in coastal we can do that way, or the wind we can do that way. So it is obviously linked only. So 1 is correct. So answer here is A, 1 only. Okay, so you just had to understand the very basic of, because it's very like how much is there, 2 sentences, 3 sentences there in the passage. Okay, next one, if you see social inequality. If the social inequality is the most acutely felt social problem in India, insecurity more than poverty is the most acutely felt economic problem. Okay, so they're telling the most important social problem is social inequality, and the most important economic problem, again 29 questions passages we have done, 16 passages, and we have completed 2025 paper. Okay, 2025, the complete thing we have solved, and this again in PDF format. Okay, see passage here, question here, option here, and what is the reason for the same thing which I explained to you. This is available. All who enrolled with us, the brochure is here. We'll give you this. and in WhatsApp number. Okay, WhatsApp number is let me see if it's mentioned here at the bottom of every page. This number, come and message CSAT. I'll give you the brochure first, then you can decide like which package you need. And it's better you get the video classes itself, because it will be much more easier. Okay, like this much explanation won't be there in the PDFs is just for those who are very good or veteran students and all. But beginners who want to understand with me, okay, question by question very slowly, and then understand the concepts, the video classes will be better. Okay, so that is why this first episode I am putting it on YouTube also. Based on that you can decide. Okay, so I'll wind up this video, and you tell me in comment section what other kind of topics are difficult for you. Prelims is nearing, and you have to see that you reach the cutoff. Okay, next time also cutoff can go between 80 and 90. They are going to make it tougher only, so be prepared for that. Okay, so I'll wind up this video. Thank you and have a nice day.